If you've ever found yourself beginning a presentation and feeling like suddenly you have hands that you don't know what to do with, then you have plenty of company. I'm Jerry Sandusky. That's Jerry with a G, and in this video, I'll show you 3 mistakes to avoid and 2 things to do with your hands that will make you look more comfortable and feel more effective in front of any audience. There's a great scene in the Will Ferrell movie, Talladega Nights, where his character, Ricky Bobby, does a TV interview and his hands start floating up from his side and Ricky Bobby asks, "What do I do with my hands?" Anybody who's ever done a presentation has experienced that sensation. Maybe you didn't let your hands get all the way up here, but you get the idea. Part of the problem is the extra adrenaline that pumps through your system in a presentation. That adrenaline wants to get out of your system through your hands, which leads to these common mistakes. Number 1, the prayer service. When you clench your hands like you're praying, the audience will start praying right along with you because they won't have the confidence in your ability to pull off the presentation. Pray before the presentation maybe, but not during it. Mistake number 2, the hidden hands trick. Sometimes you can get so worked up about what to do with your hands, you park them both in your pockets. Bad move, because when you put both hands in your pockets, it looks like you're trying to hide something. That undermines the audience's trust in you. Mistake number 3, the hand wringer. Oh, we've all seen presenters do this. It looks like they're either washing or lotioning their hands. The problem with this is it makes you look nervous, no matter how confident you sound. When you look nervous, the audience stops listening because the audience presumes you are nervous. In a previous video, by the way, I talked about the need to be personable, not perfect. I kicked that last line. I mispronounced presumes. Did you notice the world didn't end? It's the same way for you in your presentations. Be personable, not perfect. Meanwhile, back to the hands. Here are 2 simple solutions that will take worrying about your hands out of the equation. Solution number 1, put something you can hold in one of your hands. If you occupy one of your hands, the other hand behaves, and that takes the attention off of your hands and puts it back on the program where it belongs. A remote for your PowerPoint is an easy solution, even if you aren't using a lot of slides. If you don't have a remote, that's fine. Hold a pen in one of your hands. Just make sure it isn't a retractable pen, because if you start clicking, click, click, click on the pen, you will drive the audience nuts. Solution number 2, put one hand in your pocket. 2 hands in your pockets looks like you're hiding. But when you put one hand in your pocket, you look relaxed, even if you don't feel relaxed. And here's the beautiful part. If you look relaxed, the audience feels relaxed. When the audience starts to feel relaxed, you'll start to feel relaxed. It's a positive domino effect. It's also a divide and conquer strategy. When you divide your hands and keep them from both doing the exact same thing, clutching, squeezing, or hiding, that they both behave, allowing you to put your attention where it belongs, on your audience instead of on your hands. Your audience takes its cues from you. When you look relaxed, the audience feels relaxed. When you look uptight, they get uptight. If you'd like to learn more about our one-on-one coaching programs or how to engage, amaze, and influence audiences, stop by and visit us at jerrysandusky.com. Until next time, the hay's in the barn.